Hi, my name is Christoph and welcome to the Quick City Workshop. In today's video I'm going to discuss something regarding lawnmowers and fan belts. And what I have in one of my previous videos, I fixed my ride-on lawnmower with some recycled plastic. You can watch that video. It's called How to Fix a Lawnmower with Recycled Plastic. This lawnmower has got a very long, like a fan belt that drives the rotor that cuts the lawn. And this fan belt broke, and I wanted to share with you the reason why it broke. Firstly, the belt that was originally on there was very old, and when it broke I thought, let me just buy an ordinary long fan belt. It's a third of the price. The John Deere part was very expensive, so I thought, let me just buy an ordinary long fan belt. And 2 belts later I realized that it's better to buy the original John Deere part, because the belts that you buy doesn't have any reinforcement inside. It's not made for that type of strain, so it just broke clear off. The first one that broke, that was the original part, had some reinforcement inside, and I just bought the proper part, and you can see it is in white in color, but it will turn black because of dirt and wear, but together with the special reinforcement inside the belt makes this a far superior product. So my advice to anyone who has a ride-on lawnmower is to just buy the proper part. Don't try and substitute it with an inferior part, because you're just going to end up paying that money anyway and having to replace the belt more frequently. So without any further ado, let's fit this belt. So the way the belt goes, it runs is around this pulley, through there, around that one, and then from there it goes around this pulley and around this belt like that. That is basically the path for this, and then it runs from the main pulley here. So in order for me to get the belt in there, I need to loosen this bolt, and to get it in behind that bracket I need to loosen this bolt. And that's the reason why it's easier for me to take the whole deck out. And while the deck is out, I'm going to sharpen the blades at the bottom. The second reason can be that the blades are too blunt, so there's extra strain on the lawnmower to cut the lawn. The third reason can be also if there's a build-up of dirt and old grass, and that can also cause more strain on the blades and break the belt. Another reason why belts break is the condition of the pulleys. If there's friction anywhere, if the belt is catching somewhere, it can wear the belt, or if the pulleys are worn, it can also wear the belt down. You should also check the tension of the belt, if it's correct, if the belt is engaged. If the belt is under too much tension, it can also snap the belt if you hit an obstacle. If you adjust your deck too low and you take too much of a cut at once, it can also break the belt or put too much strain on the belt, make the belt slip and wear out. So if the grass is long, rather cut your grass a little bit longer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something, and have a great week.